Okay, people, can we get started? Your offer to give my clients their own reading lights would be acceptable if they could read.
All right, each party gets their own sliding door.
Fine, but my client's ready to walk if he doesn't get a V6 out of this deal.
Okay, he gets his 6.
Yeah, but we still need our cargo space, Jack.
The all-new V6 Something for Everyone Honda Odyssey. It's one big happy minivan.
So your client is asking for 9 cup holders in the 7-passenger vehicle?
Backup beverages, Jack.
And your client wants a disappearing third seat. What is this, a magic show?
You ever try taking one of those things out?
My client doesn't think we even need a third seat.
Objection. My client sleeps back there.
The all-new, easy-to-use Something for Everyone Honda Odyssey. It's one big happy minivan.
Okay, item 7. Who requested separating seats?
We did. It falls under the personal space clause.
I have no problem with that.
Me neither.
Good.
Well, other than trade table custody, I think we may have ourselves a minivan.
Not so fast, folks. I believe you know my client.
Timmy?
The all-new 7-passenger Something for Everyone Honda Odyssey. It's one big happy minivan.
You've all gotten what you wanted in this deal. V6, dual sliding doors, etc., etc. What about my client? Where's his share? Who's looking out for him? Jackie Childs, that's who. What's he need with 9 cup holders? What about 9 bottle holders? Yeah, you like that, don't you?
Oh, brother.
What's that?
Nothing.
The all-new 7-passenger, 9-bottle holding Something for Everyone Honda Odyssey. It's one big happy minivan.